In Facebook, here is no built-in options to directly upload a PDF file. So to upload a PDF in our Facebook, we have to upload the PDF in our Google Drive first. So go to your Google Drive and now click on this plus icon and here select file upload. Now select the PDF that you want to add to your Facebook and the PDF file will be uploaded on your Google Drive. Now select the PDF, tap on share and here click on restricted and select anyone with the link. Now copy the PDF link. Now go to your Facebook group or Facebook page where you want to share the PDF. Just click on this new status box and paste here the Google Drive PDF link that you just copied. And here we can see the PDF add date. Now once the PDF add date, you can remove the PDF link from this status box and you can write here a caption and post. And here we can see the PDF. Now anyone will be able to easily view the PDF by clicking on this post. They will be redirected to the Google Drive PDF viewer and here we can see the PDF.